Okay, hello, greetings and welcome. So this next video is on hermetics, on causation chains. Now causation chains in hermetics is connecting a series of exercises to develop a particular outcome. You generate a series of causes that lead to the effect that you're after. So if you want to generate clairvoyance, you go through what are the changes in the mental body that need to happen, what are the changes in the astral body that need to happen, what are the changes in the mental body that need to happen. You generate those alignments, you invoke the skills from the Akasha non-dual light, and then you cause that chain reaction to take place to open clairvoyance. So hermetically, you mind map the whole initiation text, you stick it on a big map on the wall so it fills the whole wall, and you look at it and you place a question. What is the causation chain of clairvoyance? And you look at all the exercises, you look at all the causes of each individual exercise, and you make a chain. You chain them together. So you mind map the exercises that are relevant to developing the skill to understand, if I do this, this, and this, and this, I get that result. So this is a causation chain. So causation chains will always have a mental training component, they'll have an astral training component, they'll have a physical training component. So the three bodies are taken into consideration. There's an equal amount of time and effort placed on each one of these bodies. And then the Akasha, you bring the whole picture together in the Akasha and you regulate the time-space continuum in the Akasha of how this is going to unfold, in what timing. Then you invoke from light through Akasha, setting the self-fulfilling prophecy in the Akasha from light and prayer, and you invoke it through the three bodies just prior to practicing each of the mental, astral and physical training exercises for that causation chain. So this is how we use causation chains in Hermetics, in particularly the Initiation to Hermetics text and that lineage of thinking of Franz Baden, and how these causation chains set up a framework for practice. Now you can go through the entire causation chain in one sitting. You start off with a timer and you do the mental training, you do the astral training, the physical training, finish off with Akashic trance, viewing self-fulfilling prophecy, enter into prayer, engage in the non-dual light, into the brotherhood of light, invoke the prayer into your etheric body, print your etheric blue body with the skill, and then bring it through the mental, astral, physical. And you do all those exercises in one sitting. So it might be a 1 hour sit to work through those. Then on a daily basis, you go through that causation chain, invoking those shifts in consciousness for that particular skill to arise. So I hope this helps you understand causation chains, how they work, and when you mind map the initiation text, you'll understand what I'm talking about. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.